Hello and welcome to Rain Francis Art. My name is Rain. Today I'm pulling out my dollar store white and black acrylic paints, and I've got some black art paper, and I'm just going to make some fun little flowers. If you'd like to join, let's begin. Well, my friends, what I have here is just some black art paper, and I've turned the lights down because I'm using black and white, and I want you to see the effects really well. And on my palette here, I just have some dollar store craft paint. I have white and I have black, and I've got my flat brush, and what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to be dipping half of my brush into the white. That's more than half, but then just a little bit into the black, so you see what it looks like. And I'm going to try to make some flowers. I'm going to be moving my page around a lot, so I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. I'm just going up with a couple of strokes, and then I'm going to go back in, one side in the white and the other in the black, and I'm going to continue doing that. And I'm just having fun today doing some painting here. I guess I'm thinking of flowers. There's one, and I'm taking the edge that has the white, and I'm just lightly putting in the idea of a stem and some leaves. So I guess we're doing some abstract flowers today. I'm going to keep going because for my Thursday art date, I host a Thursday art and dinner date on my blog, rainfrancis.com or rainfrancisart.com. They both point to the same blog. And the theme for today's art date, or this week's art date, is grayscale. So I thought I'd do something fun with black and white, because there is some gray in here too, you know, it turns into gray. And if you want to link your blog post or your Instagram page, anything like that, just check out my blog. We'd love to have you there. Doesn't it look kind of fluorescent in a way? I'm loving this. I've been fooling around with this all day. And it's not just an art date, by the way. It's a dinner date. So if you've got a blog post where you're sharing some foodie stuff or some recipes, we would also like to see that. And the art prompt is optional. So if you're an artist and you just want to share your blog post, or like I said, your Instagram page, come on down. rainfrancis.com every Thursday. This is really fun, and it's so easy. I got some black on the white side. Hold on, I've got to rub that off. There we go. It's so easy to do. And you can do all sorts of shapes with this. It doesn't have to be just flowers, you know? There we go. Isn't that neat? I'm going to show you something else. I have another piece of black art paper here, and I'm doing the same thing, by the way. Half side of my brush is in white and the other side is just dipped slightly in black. I'm going to make a nice little flower here. Another flower. And off camera I'm doing the same thing. Dipping in white and then in black. For this flower though, I'm going to be turning my canvas around, okay? Because I don't know that I can do it any other way. Unless I was walking around my table. I don't think I could do that. But it's just to show you, you know, you can get creative. And if you had a white piece of paper, you could use white and maybe pink, white and red. The white is good. You could use pink and red too. And you'll get these nice, you know, this nice scale of color. So I've got that going on, and I'm going to do the same. I'm always dipping it half and half, and I'm going to go inside and see what I can do here. I'm trying this out for the first time here, this one. See what it looks like. I think that looks pretty nice. Let's turn it the right side up. And maybe I'll just do a little in the middle there. And then with the white, like before, just a thin layer. Look at that, isn't that nice? I think that looks really, really cute. You could do so many things with this. So there you have it, my friends. Just a very, very easy way to make some fun flowers with black and white dollar store paint. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. I love reading your comments, and I do reply to them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.